else you will have to suffer. Yes, Muskan, start better.
Okay, sir. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Malik Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Um, we started this lesson yesterday, unusual Indian sports. Now, Alicia, tell me how much have we completed in this? Have we started kabaddi? Okay, Alicia is busy. Now, the next girl is
Yes, sir. We
uh,
started the kabaddi and we
I don't know, Alicia, what you are speaking. Your voice is breaking. Muskan, call out other name.
Okay, sir. Taiba Ganiani.
discuss about the
Mute your mic.
kabaddi. Then lecture is over.
Taiba Ganiani.
No.
Taiba Ganiani. Yes.
Taiba, your mic and your phone is good. Your connection is good. Internet connection.
Yes, sir.
Then why she has to call you three times and then you are answering? Can't you answer in one time? What have we done in the previous lecture? That is what my question is. How much we have completed from this paragraph? We started this game kabaddi. Then how much have we completed? Quickly answer me quickly. We don't have too much time. We will not wait for you. Come on. Saiba is there or shall we remove her if she is not answering?
Teams of 7 players each.
No, we have not completed that much. We have completed more. Uh, Mute your mic. Muskan, call out another name.
Okay, sir. Sayada. Sayada.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only Muskan and Sayyeda are speaking, so all the other girls have to mute their mic compulsorily. Okay. Sayyeda, how much have we completed from this paragraph?
Sir, I think Thief.
You don't think you have to tell me the truth. What have we completed? You have to tell me the fact. Don't tell me that I think. You were there in the yesterday's lecture. So how can you think? You have to tell me how much we have completed. Sayyeda, you know that I don't like to remain silent.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Home Thief.
We have completed full paragraph till here.
Yes, sir.
If you remember, I drew the kabaddi ground in the paint and
Yes, sir.
I,
That I know, but I can't understand notice some. That's why I confuse.
but you have to speak whatever you feel. You have to speak whatever you feel. That, sir, I don't understand this. I understood this much, this and that. Why don't you speak? See, I am ready to explain you people 100 times. Condition is when I call your name out, you have to speak properly. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I have completed this full paragraph. At last, I remember I told that the team who has the maximum points wins the game. And in all the games, whenever maximum number of runs, maximum number of points are there, that team always
Win.
very good. Okay, so Sayyada, can you read here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read it from here.
Kabaddi is its various forms is popular all over.
Country,
Yes, sir. Country and is known by
regional,
regional names such as Ch-
Chedugudu,
Chadugudu in uh, Andhra Pradesh, Ch- Chadugudu,
Chadukudu
Chadugudu in Tamil Nadu, and Hududu is Maharashtra.
in Maharashtra. Beta, how can you read is? There is no S. It is IN. Read
In
properly.
Maharashtra,
Continue.
India is the most successful kabaddi team on the world stage. Asia Kabaddi Cup, Kabaddi World Cup, and Pro Kabaddi
League,
League are some important. To- so, what is this?
tournaments
Tour events built
held.
held for the sports.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Okay, students. So here in these two paragraphs, history of kabaddi is given. See, kabaddi is called kabaddi, but in the different languages, different names are there for kabaddi. Okay. Now here it is given that it is popularly known over the country in the by the regional names. That means in Gujarat it is called something else. In Maharashtra it is called something else. In Rajasthan it is called something else. In the every different region of the country, India, different names are given for the kabaddi. Now, in Andhra Pradesh, the name Chadugudu is given to kabaddi. In Tamil Nadu, name Chadu Kudu is given to kabaddi. In Maharashtra, they say Hututu. So as we speak kabaddi, 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 while crossing the line, in Maharashtra they don't speak kabaddi, kabaddi. They speak hututu, hututu, hututu non-stop without inhaling once again. This is what the history of the kabaddi is. Talking about this World Cups, India is the most successful team of kabaddi in the world level. That means India is number one for the kabaddi. Now, there are few kabaddi international tournaments. The names are given here, which you will have to remember. Now, I hope, girls, you do not have doubt in the kabaddi section. Let us start with a new name. So, can one by one all of you speak the new name? What is written? And then mute your mic.
Mel Melekam.
Muklakam.
Okay. Okay. All of you spoke.
No, sir, 3 or 4 guys only.
No problem. Now, mute your mic, everyone. Name is Malakhamb. Malakhamb. I repeat, Malakhamb. Okay. So now, Muskan, call out another name, beta.
Yes, sir. Iman Fatima. Iman Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Nayani, Iman Fatima,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to read from here till here one paragraph.
Okay, sir. Malakambh is a traditional Indian gymnastic sport. In this, a gymnastic performs
Hold
feats.
on, hold on, Iman Fatima. You are reading very good, but this is not gymnastic. This is gymnast. See,
Gymnast,
IC is not written, no?
yes.
Hmm. Continue.
Gymnast performs feats usually using a vertical wooden pole. The word mala or
Hold
malar.
on. It is not word. It is word.
Word mala or malar means a
Wrestler.
wres- wres- wrestler, and
W
kamba
is
means a pole. So the
Iman
name of
Fatima.
the sport
Can
really
you hear? Can you
translates.
hear my voice? Hello. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is not. I am talking to Iman Fatima. Why three people are answering me? Iman Fatima, when I speak slowly, you have to listen to me because I'm correcting your mistakes. Where you are reading in the third line is it is not a wrestler. First of all, what nonsense noise is coming from background?
So nothing. I was sitting in my room alone.
This is not a wrestler, this is a wrestler. W is silent.
Wrestler. And kamba means a pole. So the name of sport roughly translates to rest to a wrestling pole. In India, Malakam has been past. Sir, what's that?
Practiced,
Particip
practiced, practiced.
practiced for many hundred of years. However, it was made popular in the 18th century by Balambhat Dada Jidahar, the fitness instructor of Peshwa Baji Rao. One I in
No, no, no,
Maharashtra,
no. It is two.
two in Maharashtra. It was initially
What is
introduced
it?
as
What is it? What is that?
um,
Initially
initially interest,
introduced.
introduced as a form of exercise for wrestler,
Again, wrestlers. Again, wrestlers. I will remove you
wrestler,
from the group if you repeat the mistakes.
wrestler who would attack the people like an
What
opponent.
people? Let Iman Fatima, shall I remove you from the group?
To attack the pole like an opponent, the pole would allow them to practice holds that could be used in battle once perfected.
See, you are reading so good, so why you are making silly mistakes? You can get 10 out of 10 for the reading. Just because of few mistakes, you will get 10 out of 8. So how many marks do you want? 10 out of 8 or 10 out of 10?
10 of 10.
So just make sure whenever you are reading, whenever you even don't know one word, you have to stop and you have to ask. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, now first of all, before I explain you, can you see this picture? Yes or no? Just say yes or no and mute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am, please remove all the other girls who are not answering me. I
Yes,
don't
sir.
want extra garbages here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here we have to start the topic Malakham. Now, what is Malakham? The activity done on this kind of pole the person was doing is Malakham. The pole is very high. The pole is almost as high as one room. Its height is almost like that. Okay. So here the history of Malakham is written. First of all, how Malakham came into existence, how it was first who introduced it. So everything is mentioned here in the first paragraph. It is written that Malakham is a traditional Indian gymnastic sport. Now, can anyone tell me what is gymnastic? Have you heard gymnastic ever before?
Yes, sir, I had heard and I know.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. If you heard gymnastic, tell me when do you heard or what idea do you have regarding gymnastic?
Sir, regarding gymnastic, I have idea that they were doing something with that stick of wood.
See, gymnastic means it is all on your stretching. You can bend your leg to 80 degree, 90 degree. You can bend your body whole at 180 degree. So gymnastic is mainly based on the stretching of the body. They can stretch the body to the next level. Okay, mute your mic. Thank you. Please do not forget to mute your mic. Otherwise, again, I will have to scold you. So, in this, gymnast performs feats usually using a vertical wooden pole. Vertical means the pole stands like this. Okay, as you can see in the picture, see this kind of pole is there. So this is called gymnast. A person, a person who is performing gymnastic is called gymnast. Okay, like a person living in India is called Indian. Similarly, a person who is performing gymnastic is called gymnast. This person is gymnast. Can you see how good stretching he can do? Yes or no, girls?
Yes. Yes, sir.
See
Yes,
how
sir.
much he can stretch his leg. So these activities are called gymnastic activities. So to perform that gymnastic activities on the pole is called Malakham. So this is khumb. Khumb means pole. You know pole. On the road also poles are there. Yes, electricity pole. Have you seen that? Big poles.
Sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you do not do that, huh? You will fall down, dhading. And then you will start crying like Alisha. Okay. Now, here it is written that the sorry, the word mala or malar means a wrestler. Wrestler means you know that dishum. Dishum is called wrestler. So a khamba means a pole. So basically it means a wrestling pole. Malakham means a wrestling pole. So roughly this is the idea in English. In India, Malakham has been practiced from for many hundred of years. See, Malakham is not a new thing. It is practiced since many hundreds of years. Like Kabaddi, 4,000 years ago it was invented. Similarly, Malakham was invented many hundreds of years ago. When it was invented, like it was made popular in the 18th century by Balambhat Dada Dedur, the fitness instructor of Peshwa Bajirao II. Did you have ever heard this name Bajirao? Have you heard?
No, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, based on this king, the movie is there, Bajirao Mastani. This is the movie which shows the history of Bajirao. Okay, so Peshwa Bajirao II in Maharashtra. It was initially introduced as for the exercise for the wrestlers who would attack the people like an opponent. So this Malakham was introduced by this king, Peshwa Bajirao II. And first it was invented as just for the exercise. Then slowly, it took the part in the sport also. Otherwise, it was not used as a sport activity. The pole would allow them to practice hold and that could be used in the battle once perfected. So, in their battle, first of all, do you know that kings fight the battle, used to fight the battle?
Yes, sir.
They use the sword and different, different kinds of weapons they used. So this kind of pole activity was for them to practice. That even in the battle, if they want to hang sometime somewhere and attack someone, they can do that easily if they have practiced their balance on the pole well. Am I clear? This paragraph is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this paragraph is
Yes.
Okay, Muskan,
Yes, sir.
call out another name.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute is not the student in our group, I think.
Gul Ifat Kasmani.
Yes, sir.
Can you read it from here?
Yes, sir.
Till
Although,
here.
okay, sir.
And
Although,
hold on, whenever you don't know, just don't read, ask me. Okay, beta? Continue.
okay, sir. Although Malakkamb has
Several.
several instruments that can be used. The Malakkamb, sir, what is this?
Confederation.
Confederation of World Rec- uh, Recog-
Recognizes.
recognizes three versions of this game has com- competitive sport, pole, or fixed hanging and rope. In the fixed version, a pole is fixed vertically on the ground and the
Gymnast.
gymnast performs
Acrobatic.
acrobatic stunts on it. This pole is usually made of teak or shisham wood and polished with oil. Hanging malakam is a pole. The ground, the ground in the rope were
Variation.
variation. The participant performs exercises while hanging from a rope supported from the top
Okay. It is not rope, it is rope.
rope.
Okay. Anyways, good. Very good. So, students, here it is written that although Malakham has several instruments that can be used, the Malakham Confederation of the world recognizes three versions of this game as competitive, sport, pole, or fixed, hanging, and rope. So, three ways are very much famous. There are many instruments used for this activity of Malakham, but only three are known worldwide. The three ways to do this Malakham is first is pole or fixed. That means the pole is fixed over there. Another is hanging. Hanging means what? What do you mean by hanging? Can anyone tell me? The word hanging means what? Do anyone
hanging.
of you have? Yeah, hanging.
Hanging means ऊपर जो टिंगाना होता है ना.
Can you explain the same thing in English?
No, sir.
Try. Can you at least try to speak that?
Rope.
Yes, yes. Okay, give one example of hanging. Come on.
Hanging is a
Something which we hang using some other thing on the wall or somewhere else. Okay. And we don't keep
wall.
it touched to the ground.
Yes.
Exactly. So this is the way how you should explain me. No problem. So here, Malakam is not only done on the ground, but also by the hanging, by some of the other hangings. And third way is rope. Again, rope means hanging only. Okay. Rope means a rope is attached to the ceiling till the ground. So such a big rope is there. So three ways are there to do Malakham. Am I clear? Girls, still here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for answering. In the fixed version, a pole is fixed vertically on the ground and the gymnast performs the acrobatic stunts on it. Now, as you can see here, see this is my photo, girls. I am doing this, okay? I can do this easily. Don't you think? What do you think?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because in this photo, this is a very,
No, no, I
very
told them.
No, sir.
I I told
stretchable.
that I told them that change the photo a little bit. Otherwise, they took my photo only. So what to do? Sir is talented. So
Okay,
here
sir.
in the fixed version, the pole is fixed. See, on the ground, the pole is fixed. Using the screw and the different nail, the pole is fixed at one place. So that pole will move like this. But pole will not move the position from the bottom because it is fixed at one place. And so then the gymnast performs the acrobatics, different stunts on it. They can even balance on this part just with one feet. So different stunts are performed by the gymnast. This pole is usually made of teak or sesame wood. So this is a kind of wood, like bamboo wood and different woods are there. Similarly, sesame and teak are the type of wood and polished with the oil. See, this is polished with the oil. Otherwise, when you cut the wood and when you take the wood, something goes into the small piece of the wood goes into your skin that damages your skin, correct? So the thing is, it is made with this wood and it is polished well with the oil. So when it is polished well with the oil, it is very much slippery. Yes or no? When you hold it, it
Yes, sir.
slips down.
Yes, sir.
So it is more difficult. It is more
Yes,
tough.
sir.
Hanging malakham is a pole that is hung from the chain and the hooks a little above the ground. So hanging malakham means what? The same pole is there, but it is now hung with the ceiling. Like she said that to tie with the rope. So with the chain it is tied because it is very much heavy. So it is hanging pole. Now, in the rope variation, the participant performs the exercises while hanging from the rope supported from the top. Now, similarly, with the rope version, just like the wood was stuck to the ceiling, similarly, the rope is there. Like I said, from ceiling to the ground, such a big rope is there. So, the participant can perform the activity on the rope. So, these three versions are there of Malakham. Any doubts so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, can I ask you a question, Alicia?
Yes, Alicia. Then other people also want to ask the question, but one by one. Come on.
In this, we not fall down.
See, in this, it is kind of training, first of all, you get. Obviously, someone will not say that, Alicia, that is a pole. Come on, go on. I know you are the monkey, you can do that easily, but
No,
we
sir.
human beings,
Not monkey.
we human beings need training for that. Okay. So that is why it was said, no, in the history part of this first paragraph, that first it was practiced by Bajirao, Peshwa Bajirao too. So why it was practiced?
Yes.
So that they can maintain balance. Then in the war, if they want to hang from somewhere and attack the enemy, they can do that. So it is practiced very well. Obviously, no one can hang like this without practice. First of all, you need good stretching. Otherwise, you cannot do like this on the pole. Then you need good guts. You cannot become, oh no, I don't want to do that. You have to become very much, gutsy. Then you need balance. Mind should be, concentration should be there. Everything should be there. Only then you can do that. Otherwise, down.
And
You can fall
sir,
down.
and
Yes.
sir, this chapter, hard words, meanings, and that all you will give in
Is
group
that
or write
related?
in lecture.
Is that related to the explanation?
No.
Thank you. Anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you explain Kabaddi last two paragraphs? No, that I don't understand.
Then watch the video lecture again, two times, three times. That is why, for your purpose only, we are keeping it again in the YouTube. So that if you watch it carefully, question will arise. Question will arise, you will ask me, doubts will be solved.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let me read this paragraph. The skills that a performer is judged on are mounts, running, and jumping on the pole. So they run from the far away and just stick to the pole. And how do they stick? Okay, how many of you have seen monkey? Monkey. Oh,
Sayyada.
Iman.
Sir, I question.
Alicia, because
okay.
my
How,
grandmother,
how many of you have touched the monkey?
Sayyada.
Alicia, because my grandmother's home there is
Farhana.
monkey and come
No,
to
no,
eat.
Alisha, you are wrong. You are touching your hand only.
No, I give the onion, potato, that everything
Okay, mute your
because
mic, everyone.
at
Everyone, mute your mic properly.
Sir, I Sayyada.
Okay.
Sir,
Now it
I
is.
question.
Thank you. Mute your mic. See. So now how this performer is judged, how the marks are written for this performer. So it is very clear that first thing is how they run and they climb the pole. How fast they do that. Second is acrobatics, performing flips and twists with the speed and agility, with proper confidence, with proper, variation, how differently they can perform the stretching. See, this is one stretching. 100 different stretchings are there. They stand on this, they hang on this, they hang with one leg, they hang with one hand. So, how different activities do they do on this pole? Balance is holding a variety of poses for a special duration. So, for how long time they can hold on one pose? See, if you hang like this part starts paining. Yes or no? Because one part is on a pole. So that starts paining. So
Yes, sir.
for how long time you can hold that position? Catches taking flight in the air and catching the pole again. So this is what it is, to jump in the air and again to hold the pole. That is also very difficult because pole is very small on the top. So again to jump and hold the pole is very difficult. So that is also there. And dismounts standing on the top of the pole and jumping off. So at last, what do they do? They stand at the top. Top means very top. It is just like where the fan is. To stand there and to jump down directly. So how do they do that? So these things are marked, and based on these activities, the marks are given to these performers. Okay. So how many of you want to learn this skill?
Sir, I want to run. I want to learn gymnastic.
Sir, I
Very
want to
good.
learn
Gymnastic is
gymnastic.
good for the health.
Sir,
I
I want
want
to
to
learn
also.
gymnastic in Shia.
I also Sayyada.
I
Okay.
also Muskan.
But Muskan, if you will fall down, you will
Ye-
start crying, and all class performers will go away at home. You cry so loudly.
No, sir.
yes, I want to also learn, Alicia.
Alicia, you will fall and the floor will, break into two pieces. And Alicia, if you will climb this pole will break. So jokes apart, this is the end
No,
of our
sir.
today's lesson.
अब जो मतलब मेरी भक्ति करती हो No, sir, not bridge.
This is the end of our lesson. Have
I
a
will
nice day. Goodbye.
I will be fit and I will not fall. Okay, sir. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir. Have a good day.
Goodbye, sir. Have a nice day.